Open the Alexa app, find the device options, click this, and then click this. Search for GeekLink in the search bar. Click Add to Use. Enter your registered GeekLink account and log in. Follow the prompts and wait for Alexa to discover the device. There are 3 devices found and connected. The and be found here are the switches that come with G-Knob. And there is also a spotlight. Now you can use Alexa voice control.
Echo, turn off the spotlight.
Okay.
Echo, turn on spotlight.
Okay.
Echo, set the spotlight to warm white.
Okay.
Echo, set the spotlight to cool white.
Okay.
Echo, brighten the spotlight to 80%.
Okay.
Echo, dim the spotlight to 20%.
Okay.